warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Yuriska Paramata with NIM 321423008. In this video, I will explain what is the extrinsic element of prose, social, culture, politics, and economics. In a short story entitled 7 Hari 7 Malam by Abdul Karim. The biography of the short story writer Abdul Karim is that he was born in Murung Raya, Central Kalimantan. Learned to write poetry, short stories, and articles. Lives in Banjarmasin and is active in the Warung Baca Library. Abdul Karim's short story 7 Hari 7 Malam tells the story of Buhis, a man trapped in a tragic event due to the violation of an oath and curse. The story depicts the conflict between tradition, individual mistakes, and the consequence of action taken. What is the extrinsic element? Extrinsic elements are elements that come from outside the literary work but can provide certain meanings or message to the reader. I will explain the extrinsic elements of the short story that refer to the social, cultural, political, and economic environment in 7 Hari 7 Malam. 1. Social elements include interaction between individuals in society, the prevailing norms and values. Examples of social elements quoted in the short story 7 Hari 7 Malam: women and men, young and old dance. The people of the village called it Manasai around the Sangkai, accompanied by the strumming of flutes and karungut poems in the traditional house. This quote shows the interaction of the people of the village to dance in the traditional house. 2. Cultural elements are related to the tradition, habits, and customs that exist in society. Examples of cultural elements in the short story 7 Hari 7 Malam: the mountain people held a traditional ceremony. At the ceremony, there was a lot of arak and talk to drink for free. There are also gambling stalls, that's for sure. This quote shows that there are strong customary traditions and cultural aspects in the community. 3. Economic elements relate to the economic condition of society in the context of the story. This can include the economic status of the characters, issues of poverty, or social inequality. Examples of economic elements in the short story 7 Hari 7 Malam: once this place was just a wilderness, then a foreign company came, a timber company. He worked for the company for many years until he died while cutting down a large tree. This quote may indicate the existence of economic conditions because there is the work working in the company for many years. 4. Political elements include the political context in which the work was written or the political background that influenced the story. This quote by a depiction of the government system, political conflict, or the ideology underlying the character's actions. Examples of quotes of political elements in the short story 7 Hari 7 Malam: if it's not watered, how can we take this? Then perhaps upstream to Bariton when the river is only up to our ankles mouth. This quote may indicate a political element because of the word rimang, which refers to a leader in a traditional society. That's all my explanation about the extrinsic elements of prose, social, culture, politics, and economic in the short story entitled 7 Hari 7 Malam by Abdul Karim. Thank you for watching my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.